Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Mojito Red easy method. Start by muddling 6 fresh mint leaves with 1 TSB sugar and 1 Oz lime juice in a glass, then add crushed ice. Pour 2 Oz white rum, stir gently, and pour 1 Oz grenadine for red color. Top with soda water to taste and garnish with a lime wheel and extra mint sprig. Serve immediately and enjoy a fruity twist on a classic mojito. Gather these ingredients before you start so the process flows smoothly and you can focus on flavor. You will need fresh mint, limes, white rum, sugar, crushed ice, soda water, and grenadine for the red hue. Use a sturdy muddler, a jigger, a tall glass, and a bar spoon to mix and measure accurately. Having everything ready cuts prep time and keeps your cocktail chilled and balanced for the best results. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like to support more easy cocktails. On another note, try the Echo Dot smart speaker to set the mood with playlists, timers, and hands-free recipe steps. It fits any counter and sounds great. It makes busy mixing moments easier and more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Follow these steps slowly to build layers of flavor and a vivid red appearance without overpowering the drink. Muddle mint with sugar and lime juice, then add crushed ice and white rum, stirring to combine. Pour grenadine slowly down the inside of the glass so it sinks and creates a red gradient, then top with soda water for effervescence. Garnish and taste, adjusting sweetness or lime as needed, and serve with a straw so guests can mix if they like.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.